Hello students, we are going to discuss about limiting an excess reactant. What is limiting reactant? It is defined as a reactant that would disappear first if a reaction goes to completion. This is called limiting reactant. What is excess reactant? Excess reactant, it is defined as the reactant which is in excess of the theoretical or stoichiometric requirement as determined by the desired reaction. Excess reactant always found in the product stream through the reaction proceed to completion. Are you clear or not? Okay. Yeah, this is the limiting on excess reactant. Limiting and excess reacting, we will discuss with one real-time example like aeroplane. In aeroplane, the limitation of seat is 350. But if there are 400 passengers, where 50 passengers are in excess, are you clear? 350 seat, that is limiting. 400 passengers, excess. Why? Because the 350 seats are limiting, mean 350 only allowed. So 50 is a excess value. This is the excess reactant. In chemical reaction, C plus O2 gives CO2. So, if you start with 5 moles of carbon, 10 moles of oxygen to produce 5 moles of carbon dioxide. So, for this case, which one is a limiting reactant? Which one is a excess reactant? Carbon is a limiting reactant, oxygen is a excess reactant. Why? Because oxygen present 5 mole excess. Okay. How we will discuss? Yeah. So this is the before or during and after chart, that is BDA. The same example. The carbon plus oxygen that produce carbon dioxide. Before 5 moles of carbon, 10 moles of oxygen. This is a step number 1. Use moles that are present before the reaction start. So step number 2, during, use coefficient to determine moles used during reaction. So as per the reaction, as per the stoichiometric condition, 5 moles of carbon react with 5 moles of oxygen to produce the carbon dioxide. Are you clear or not? Okay, this is a step number 2. Step number 3, subtract to determine limiting reactant and excess reactant. So here what will happen after? So 5, the before and during, the same condition. So as per the stoichiometry, 0 mole. That is a limiting reactant. Are you clear or not? Okay, the 5 moles are required. The 5 moles are reacted. This is a limiting reactant. So already I said, the limiting reactant, it is defined as a reactant that would disappear first if a reaction goes to completion. Are you clear or not? Okay. So what about the oxygen here? Oxygen is a excess reactant. Why? So as per the stoichiometry, 5 moles are required. But how much moles are present before the reaction start? 10 mole. So the step number 3, subtract to determine limiting and excess reacting. The before 10 mole, during 5 mole. So what about the excess reactant here? 5 moles. So that's why the oxygen is called as a excess reactant. So conclusion of this part, carbon is a limiting reactant, oxygen is a excess reactant. Thank you for your attention.